So they fired the chef. Before, remember, we got the labao. We didn't, not like this. You order.
You order.
And they bring it.
Yeah.
So to cut costs.
Yeah, they add this room because it gets washed out there.
May mga bahay pala dito, kuya, no? Diyan talaga sila nakatira, kuya?
Katutog po.
Ay, mga katutog po sila. So, sa kanila talaga to? Itong lugar na to? Yung katutubo, yung mga sinaunang tao, di ba, kuya? We call it katutubo among the older people.
Okay.
Aita. Yun din yung Aita, kuya? Sila yun. Yung katutubo pala yung nakatira dito. Sila yung may-ari dito. Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi mo sila pwede, parang ipalisin. Kasi property nila.
It's a plot area. Yeah.
Ano yun, ate? Yan, mga katutubo sila. Iba na kasi yung ginagaanan natin. Oo, nag-iba na siguro. Inano nila, renovate.
Questo sono le cose.
Well, look at the, it's like...
I don't like to look.
Kuya, bakit? Iniba na po yung daan. Yeah. Madulas. It's a slippery, kuya. That's why they changed. It's slippery. Kasi dati, sa taas kami dati. Oo. Taas kami. It's not safe. Dati dito, kuya. It's not safe anymore. That's why they changed the road. Nabaka. Look at Amore.
Yeah.
What? Carabao. It's Carabao.
Take picture.
The Carabao. This is the Philippine Carabao. Look, it's really... But you know what, Danilo, that time we went there, the time we went there, was there because we was there at the top, the mountain. That's what it's like sliding.
Look here, the river. There's water and rocks.
Yeah, that's why you
God
need to...
Oh, dear. You start to get
This is our pawning experience. Saan galing itong kuya, yung tubig dito? Sa bundok. This came from the mountain, the water, amore. Naiinom po to, kuya? No, it's not drinkable.
No, it's not drinkable at all, of course. It's mad. It's mad.
Hindi ba kung gusto mo i-filter lang, di ba?
It's not even transparent, even clear.
Mabuti pa si kuya, friendly. Yung ibang driver, hindi friendly. Patuloy mo lang yan, kuya. Bite-bite mo po. Ay, may tubig. Ay, may Carabao, oh.
What's happening?
Look, there's the Carabao there coming. Look at the Carabao. Sexy niya, oh. Sexy niya. Wait, wait. Look at Nino. Look at. They are free. Baka ba yan? O Carabao? Carabao. Parang bak. My sister and Kuya Jonathan. Survival food. What? No, of course not. No, God. Hello, Kuya. Maraming fans to si Kuya. Naghihilo sa kanya kapag dumadaan yung mga guest. The good thing with this thing, Amore, there's someone monitoring us, so if we are okay, something like that. You heard the lady there. She's the one that monitoring us.
Inside the canyon, right? Se lo vedo Domenico dice figo, lo voglio fare pure io.
Paano kaya yun hindi nag-ano din, oh? Babaktas lang mga tao. Sa bagay, kaya nila lang yun ay, oo, ay yun. You do, no, because so, even protect na yan. Yeah. Sino?
Hey. Vamos a ver. She likes driving a lot.
I think if she can travel with us, if we will come back to the Philippines, if she like with her husband, we will guide them.
She and her boyfriend, they don't have the African guy.
Ah, okay, anyway, they are companion. We can place.
Here, that's it. There are no mosquitoes, right? I don't see any mosquitoes.
Kita ano gusto. Yung aking nakikita yung buto-buto. Parang athlete.
Well, you see, you come, you teach me everything. You like to?
Bath there, hello.
Hmm?
You like to bath there with me?
Yeah. Ate,
Yeah, it's ano.
pag short video na ko dali te. Kita akong cellphone kay gabab ay ano sige.
Oh, naka-on na? Hot spring kasi nga ni. Too much hot ah. Too much?
Too much, not too much, but
Ah,
a lot.
yeah.
Warm a lot. Hot warm. I'm coming.
Nagbook.
Sorry.
It's okay. Diri harayo. Haamon. Pagtika dilahiya mahal. O pagtika ano. Naka-video ini ya. Okay na.
You don't like to swim here?
Too hot. I cannot. It's okay with me the other one there. I can use it.
Yeah, doon no, baka hindi.
So, pila naman it an ko egg, how much? Waray also 30. 30. Yes, my sister balikbayan from USA. Look at
Balikbayan ka dyan.
her. I'm not balikbayan. You're the balikbayan.
Balik-aral, hindi balikbayan. Mainit dito. Tingnan ko kung mainit.
Okay.
Mainit din pero hindi masyado. Not really hot. Not really hot. The view here. Thank you. Thank you, ate.
Thank you po.
Goodbye po.
Bye.
Salamat. Video.